Well, tape up.
I tell you.
Oh, man. Baby girl, this is your car now, you know? Alright. That's it. Wow.
Oh, me.
We're get our driver's license. See your car, Mama? Look at your car. You see it? We have a special request from one of our customers. Inside this here box is a car for her daughter. So she asked, look up yourself, Lataya. She asked us to make the delivery and do a video for her. What go on, sir? So she asked us to do the delivery and make a video for her. So we're here to make the delivery. I'm going to do a video of the unboxing of the car. What go on? Wait that. You there?
She's sleeping.
Just sleep. Oh God. Just sleep. Lataya, she's sleeping, man. See the car that mommy got you? You see it? Wow. That's yours. Yeah. Turn it over, yes, baby girl. That's your car. Daddy gonna put it together for you. Thank you.
You gonna drive? Going inside, then.
Sit down in it, baby. Sit down in
Go
it.
inside.
Alright? No respect. Thank you.